In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use hierarchies in Tableau. Hierarchies are a powerful feature that allow you to organize your data into levels, making it easier to drill down and analyze the information at different granularities. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to build and utilize these hierarchies effectively, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Tableau desktop application. Ensure that your dataset is ready for use and that you have a clear goal for what you want to achieve with your hierarchy. Once you have that in place, proceed to access your worksheet within the Tableau environment. At this stage, it's helpful to have your dimensions pane visible, as this is where we'll start working. Next, take a moment to identify the dimension you wish to transform into a hierarchy. This could be anything from geographical locations to product categories, depending on your dataset. Once identified, direct your attention to this dimension, situated in your data pane. Now, perform a right-click on the selected dimension. A menu will appear displaying various options. Look for the option labeled Hierarchy. When you hover over it, another submenu will appear. From here, you'll want to choose Create Hierarchy. Click on this option to proceed. A dialog box will now appear, prompting you to name your new hierarchy. Be thoughtful about this name, as it should reflect the nature of the dimensions it will encompass. Once you're satisfied with the name, go ahead and click OK to create the hierarchy. Having set up your initial hierarchy, you can now add more dimensions to it. This is particularly useful when you want to present data in a tiered format. Simply drag the additional dimensions into your newly created hierarchy in the data pane. Alternatively, you can right-click on another dimension, navigate to Hierarchy, and select Add to Hierarchy to merge it into your existing structure. Once you've assembled your hierarchy with all the relevant dimensions, it's time to put it to use. Drag any of your created hierarchies into the rows area on your worksheet. This action will integrate the hierarchy into your visualization. To explore the details within your hierarchy, locate and click the plus icon next to the hierarchy label within your worksheet. Doing this will reveal the subsequent levels of your data, allowing you to analyze it in greater depth. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily create and utilize hierarchies in Tableau, giving you a more flexible and insightful view of your data. Practice these steps to become more proficient, and soon you'll be leveraging hierarchies like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.